new video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys pretty much very simple indicator, and this strategy is quite easy. It requires just one indicator, which is the RSI close, but a very special one. I'm gonna leave a link, or you can comment below if you want me to send it to you. You can find it in the TradingView indicators tab as well. Okay, cool. Let me get into the settings, right? Settings are quite simple. You can see 59, 59, 24. Cool. So now how do you make this work, right? How do you make this work? Now, as you can see right here, we have oversold and overbought, right? Oversold and overbought, right? Now I'm going to show you guys how to use this. Now, as you can see right here, whenever price is above the red line, as you can see, well, the RSI, whenever it's above the red line, you can see right here, that means price is oversold. Therefore, start looking for rejections. If you get a rejection like a strong, healthy sell candle, as you can see right there, it is a clear indication to sell to the downside. Similarly, if you were to get an oversold right here, but price does not return back into the red line, do not take action. Only take action once price returns back into the red line. As you can see right here, price oversold, but it did not return back onto here, right? Oversold again, finally returned, but as you can see, price reversed a little bit before going up. As you can see that. Now what happened here, right? Overbought, right? Price did not return. It did return here, but bear in mind the market conditions, right? It's a range bound market condition. Now price burst out again, did not return, eventually returns over here. You can see price comes back into the red line, and guess what? Price fell, and it's still falling. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Feel free. I have a separate indicator strategy that I personally use. If you want me to send it to you, make sure to let me know, and I'll send it right over to you. See you in the next video.